purpose of my visit is to consolidate, to collaborate, to synergize, and then to transform on whatever that is between the Nigerian Police Force, Lagos State Command, and that of the Nigerian Customs Service Federal Operation Unit Ikeja. But in a wider note, I'm not even going to stop at this, because all we are doing is to the service of the nation. And the nation is only the one we have as our child and as our mother, as our father, as whatever we want to mention. That is what we have in our front. We have to guide it jealously. And how do you guide it jealously? We have to synergize. We have to collaborate. And we enjoy more of your synergy and more of your support than any other organization, I think, in Nigeria today. Because you are always the lead agencies when it comes to internal security. So my commissioner, sir, and my brother, I will not hide to say that, because even during the Salah, I think as part of the Hands of Fellowship, I was given a meal from this officer. We are here, just what the existing collaboration that we have from here, and that I want to consolidate on it. And then again, I still need your support in a lot of areas, more especially maybe in terms of the criminalities that we need information, we can be sharing from time to time. And if you look at it, we have this other unit wearing the red cap today on our mixed as custom police unit. So from time to time, whatever we do as internal investigation that bordering criminality outside customs operation, we still have to come to the conventional police to tap and then continue with the process of investigation or otherwise. So, whichever I do, we will not relent in that our all over the twist language of whatever we're having from you. We will still be asking for more, because I know we'll be enjoying that synergy and that collaboration. Even before my arrival as the controller here at Federal Operation, you have been doing that with my predecessors and other states that you have also headed. You have been doing that with all the other agencies of government and the security agencies of government. Sir, my coming here is not a new thing to you. It's that we're supposed to. Having said this, I will say even the collaboration I will need from you is going to be beyond this official kind of collaboration and assistance. We'll be doing that even in private from time to time. I'll be looking at way of reaching you so that we can be talking. And then, because anything that we want to do, like I said, the private home, but we still have the official one that, okay, we are doing it just to move the nation forward. Because if you look at the nation today, it's full of a lot of activities, and those activities are of criminality more, or to say. We thank God that you are on top of the situation, you are trying your best, and we too, at our own angle, we are trying the little way we can do. So, but then, we will not do it better until when we join our hands together. So, my commissioner, I am here to seek for that your cooperation, and that your support, and that your brotherly, because I can say it vividly well. We have enjoyed most of this from time to time. I could remember the time that we were doing our training, that's 2009, that we have to use most of our facilities today in Nigeria, cut across Nigeria. When I say cut across from Nigeria, not only in Lagos here, up to Maiduguri. We use our facilities that time to train our personnel. And then even years back, even before I joined the service, I think a lot of that had happened. So, sir, we are still with you, and we're going to continue to look for that, your collaboration and your support and assistance from time to time. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I would now like to most respectfully invite the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State Command, for his response. The CP, sir.
Thank you so much. I think you can hear me also. Yes. Controller MS Shoaibu, yes, the Controller FOC. Yes. We are glad to receive you and your entourage in my office today.
Yes, sir.
And I want to say that we have been working closely together with your predecessor.
Yes, yes.
And there's not going to be any missing link. We are going to ensure that we brought in the base of our relationship, yes, to be more strengthened in the way that we can continue to carry out our mandate, the mandate of Nigerian Police Force and equally Nigerian Customs, yes, together to have the desired results for the same fatherland that we serve. There's no doubt that the orientation of the officer corps dwell on us, the leader of all the agencies, to work together closely. And there's no doubt also that Lagos State is a center of excellence. And all of us working in the security sector of the state, we have to ensure that we key into that excellence to be able to achieve results for the generality of Nigeria and for our dear nations that we serve. The history of Nigerian police force and custom doesn't start today. Like you have mentioned, that our facility were used for actually the training of your personnel. We equally know down the history that our personnel have been fully involved in the training of your officers.
Yes,
most of actually, those are the top echelon of various organizations, not only the Nigerian Customs Service, but other services have one way or the other working in synergy with the Nigerian police force. Like, okay, I take that again. Okay, I take that again. There's no doubt that we've been working together over the year to ensure that we'll be on the same page to achieve the same objective of ensuring safety and security of all Nigerians across the country. The history of the Nigerian Police Force and Nigerian Customs Service doesn't start today. It has been there for so many decades now that we've been working together in synergy and we'll be achieving the same objective. Like I said earlier on, Lagos State is a center of excellence, and we must be on the same page to key into that excellence in the state. The mandate of the two organizations have to do with internal security. And when you come into the engine of internal security, the Nigerian Police Force is the lead agency. A lot of other organizations, security and safety organization agency, are complementing the role of the agency. So we can't be tired of seeking for your collaboration and cooperation in the area of ensuring that there's active synergy that will give the desired result and objective. So your coming here today is homecoming because as a former public relations officer, in close touch with the custom headquarters at various levels. And I make bold to say this, that we've enjoyed maximum level of cooperation from the Nigerian custom beyond any other organization in the internal security services. So I was posted from the Eastern Port that made me to be available on day-to-day basis with the relationship with your controllers there. Especially those at One and those in area 1 and equally the assistant. Especially we work closely together during the period of nationwide protests. We are working in synergy together, and everything went well without any casualty, without any damage and destruction to property. And I want to assure you here equally, we don't have any half measure. The Lagos State Police Command is an old command, and they have been structured in a perfect way to ensure that we key in with every government agency. So, by and large, what you have sought for, consider it granted.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
And at various points in time, there will be some issues that we need to adjust and moderate within ourselves. We will be up and doing in ensuring that we promptly address them.
Yes,
I equally make bold to say there has not been any history of custom and police being any fracas. No. And it will not happen.
It will not happen. I guess of God. It will not.
Most of the institutions of custom too are tailored along the line of Nigerian police force.
Yes.
That of Gogolagoda is tailored along that of an institution in Just. I hope I'm audible. So, and at one point in time or the other, we have been resource person to each other in terms of training of our personnel. Even the custom police offshoot from the Nigerian police force, and the assistance we have rendered in the creation of the custom police will still continue to render it as any time that you need it.
Thank you very much.
So consider it homecoming. We are going to strengthen more on the existing cordial relationship that we have with you, and make sure that it's a point of emulation for all other agencies to copy from. So thank you for coming. This is your home. At any point in time, you come around and let us be on the same page. And as it has to do with joint patrol, because we know definitely there will come to an issue where we have to do joint operation and joint collaboration. Feel free to let us know on time. Any desired personnel that you require in carrying out those responsibilities will equally be made available to you. So with this, I want the media to know that we are working on the same page and we are going to achieve a result for the people, the good people of Nigerians, and for the government that have put us in charge of this responsibility. Once again, thank you for coming, and we hope to see you more coming around. Be expecting that I can come around that even without notice.
No problem.
Visit your office and say this evening. So thank you and God bless.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I would like to inquire.
I try to create a unit under me that, okay, I want to check the SSs of my officers. And when you see the custom police unit, as you see him standing by the corner, that's all they do. They are there to check the SSs of our officers. And the one you just talked about, shooting or otherwise, the moment we pick in the officers behaving as such, we try them. When we try them, anybody who is found wanting will face the full wrath of the law. Now, if you go to even my cell today here in FOU, I have some officers, because cell naturally is not meant for even outsiders. It's meant for officers who have committed a crime. It's just a holding bay for civilians as a crime suspect. The officers are always there. They will stay there for donkey period of time as the whatever permits. Because we'll make sure that we try them. We'll find them. If we find them culpable, we'll now show them the real proper way to handle situations outside there. So now our own kind of operation is not the operation of, say, you look at it and they behave otherwise and you leave them to go ahead to behave otherwise. No. We'll bring them down. We'll show them what they are supposed to be, because we have books of instruction. Anybody who is working outside there is guided by those books of instructions. By the time, because you have what you are supposed to do. By the time you go outside the books of instruction, of course, the law will cut off with you. That is just that. And that is how we go about our operation. We don't keep quiet. We don't sit down in the couple of our office and then we just enjoy sitting down and just talking like as I'm talking to you now. No. As I'm talking to you, people are still out there doing the operation out there. So the link is not cut off. It's always a continuous one. So thank you. Have I answered your question or you still have any more? Thank you very much.